Hello guys, this new video, this time teaching you how to transfer your money or cryptocurrencies from Trustwallet to the Metamask. And this video is going to be pretty simple. All you need to do is, of course, have a Metamask account and have a Trustwallet account. And let's say you want to transfer some Solana from Trustwallet to the Metamask. This is what you're going to do. You're going to click on Solana, you're going to go on send, and you can type in any amount like 50. I have insufficient sell balance, but you can type anything. And the most important thing is then to go to the Metamask, because this had the recipient address, and that is the account one. When you go to your Metamask, just click there, go to Trustwallet and say paste. When you do that, you can just go and send your amount to the Metamask. Thank you for your time and see you in the next clip. Be sure to subscribe.